Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change keyboard input in G3 AIO. And to do this, first you'll need the additional language packs installed on your device, and to do this, go to your start and open the settings, locate the time and language, and here enter language. Now you can download additional language packages for free by clicking on add language and selecting each one you want. Then if you want to select the input, simply click on the usually 3 letters in the bottom right corner, and now you can select different language key for your keyboard. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.